How to delete items from Google Collections. If you've saved pages, images, or products in Google Collections and now want to delete them, this video will show you how to do it step by step. First, open Google Chrome or the Google app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in to the Google account where the items are saved. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, tap Collections. You will see all your saved collections here. Tap the collection that contains the item you want to delete. Inside the collection, find the item you want to remove. Tap and hold on the item, or tap the three dots on it. Now tap Remove from Collection or Delete. The item will be removed instantly. If you want to delete multiple items, tap Edit or Select at the top. Choose the items you want to remove, then tap Delete. To delete the entire collection, go back to the Collections list. Tap the three dots next to the collection name and select Delete Collection. Confirm to remove it permanently. That's it. You've successfully deleted items from Google Collections. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides.